I'm back again. Hopefully a little better audio than I had before. I apologize again on that. I'm running on fumes on the channel at the moment here. A couple of things still haven't shipped that I've ordered a while ago. This one I ordered on Friday. eBay. Didn't expect that for a week or so. No, that thing was here this morning. And it's a Monday morning right now. Yeah, so I ordered that Friday mid-morning and got it exactly when. Then very surprised. I actually ordered some other things. I thought it was that, but real excited about what's in this box. So let's get into it here. And while not packing peanuts, it's not my favorite stuff here. So let me get this junk out of here real quick. But yeah, like I said, I ordered some stuff on Amazon, trying to get some actual equipment here for videos and such. And all right, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting here. At least it's not falling. Well, I say that. I don't want to get all this out of the way real quick, just because I know it needs to go right in the trash. Right. So, yeah, we got a radio here. We have a radio. You said it should come with a power cord. Oh, it does. Okay, so we do have a power cord. Get rid of this box now. We got what we need out of it. So we got a radio here. We got a power cord. Plug that in. What radio do I have here? How about a Cobra 148 GTL-B. Made in Japan. External speaker, got PA. Let's flip this thing over. 148B. That is a Cobra 148 GTL-B. That doesn't look anything like what I have over here. I'm still working on this, do a little restoration. Got to get a new faceplate. But this is the 148 GTL minus, you know, a couple knobs. But this thing is nothing like this thing. It's not like any of the later models. We have AM, FM, or no, we don't. This one has AM lower and upper, just like this one actually. So almost a similar layout here. This one here reminds me of a Bowman CB950. I kept saying 930 for a while. Now CB950. Right here with this, all these switches were over here and all these knobs were right in the center here, but it was a AM upper and lower sideband unit as well. But this is definitely not really a Cobra. So what this really is, and I did a little research in the process, this is a Cybernet chassis. With a PLL02A chip. Looks like they've already changed that. It used to be a tone. I don't know if it came with this little sticker to change it to a band, or if that was added after the fact. But we have here, it's a Japanese knockoff, really. It's basically a knockoff of a Cobra. It is not a Cobra. Wasn't made by Cobra, or Dynascan is the actual corporate name at that time. This actually started coming around in 1983. You can see the old fin style speaker grills, reminiscent of a couple other import units, export units imported in. I can't find much information on this unit, so we're going to start going through it, and I don't know if it's so clean or not, but definitely go through it and do a little clean on this. And I'm going to hook it up But yeah, this was from 1983, somewhere right around there. I started showing up in the Secret CB books that were prevalent, going over a couple of things when new radios would come out and modifications. So Secret CB books, you can find them online. I think CB Tricks, you can actually download the copy, and they did a nice cross-reference. So if you have a radio and you want to know more about it, or mods, or different things like that, some of those mods are a little bit janky. You don't really want to do a couple of those. Definitely want to leave limiters in, things like that. But this I'm interested in. So I'm already missing a screw, but I got some screws. But yeah, already got to get some stuff for this thing. But yeah, you're not going to find this faceplate anywhere. I know that for sure. These are hard to come by. They actually had them Superstar. It was a Lafayette 1800 Superstar, I think 2000. And that would be replaced there. But this, on those models, would be AM, FM, upper and lower sideband. I think it even had CW built in. And then you'd also have a band switch included there, stock off the rip. But this here is what they call a Cobra 148GTL-B. But yeah, it's not any Cobra product. But yeah, they definitely got the logo down just right. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this thing fired up and see what we can make heads or tails of it.